Mrs. Wilson's going to read a story. Now, we're learning about superheroes and people who do jobs that are superheroes, because everybody works together to make everything happen in the world, don't they? Now, I've got a book called Mrs. Lather's Laundry. Now, lather is a bit of a strange word. Right, so imagine you've got some soap in your hands and you keep rubbing it and you keep rubbing it. What happens to your hands? They get all bubbly. That's called a lather, okay? And laundry is washing. So in my house, Friday tends to be my laundry day because I forget about it all week and then I have no pants to wear on a weekend. Right, so let's see what happens in Mrs. Lather's laundry. Monday was a bad day in Mrs. Lather's laundry. Mr. Lather was having trouble with the ironing. What's he done? He's put a great big hole in somebody's bloomers. They like big knickers. Miss Lather and Mr. Lather, Master Lather, were having a tug of war with the washing, and Mrs. Lather was going crazy. If I wash one more sock, I'll go off my head, she said. I'm sick of socks. I hate them. Uh-oh. Look, there's her daughter and her son fighting over the laundry, and there's Mrs. Lather. She's got lots of smelly socks. She's not enjoying washing those, is she? I don't like having to take them out of the wash basket and put them in the washer. I need a nose peg on. After that, Mr. Lather put a notice in the laundry window. It said, "We wash anything except socks." Oh, he's trying to keep his wife to not be grumpy. Tuesday was another bad day in Mrs. Lather's laundry. Mr. Lather was having trouble with a sheet. Oh, it looks like a ghost. Don't think he can fold it up. The children were playing hide and seek in the washing, and they were playing tennis too. Uh-oh. They're using the washing as a tennis line. Uh-oh. What might happen? The washing might get dirty. Mrs. Lather was going crazy again. "If I wash one more vest, I'll go off my head," she said. "I'm sick of vests. I hate them." After that, Mr. Lather put another notice in the window saying, "We wash anything except socks and vests." Oh dear, she's not having a very good week. She doesn't like vests. She doesn't like socks. "I'm sick of them all," she said. "Oh, and no pairs of pants either, or shirts, or dresses, or tablecloths, or hankies. I am sick of them all. I hate them." After that, the children put a notice in the window saying, "We wash anything except laundry." So they're not going to wash clothes, they're not going to wash quilts, they're not going to wash anything that you've worn. I wonder what they're going to wash. Wednesday was a quiet day in Mrs. Lather's laundry. But Thursday was a surprising day. First, a customer came in with a baby. "We do not wash baby clothes," said Mrs. Lather. "I don't want you to wash his clothes," said the customer. "I want you to wash him." "Oh," said Mrs. Lather, and she washed the baby. After that, more customers came in with their babies. There were rich customers, there were poor customers, there were old customers, and there were young customers. There was a big customer and a little baby, and there was a little customer with a big baby. And there were lots more customers beside. Goodness gracious me! It looks like everybody with a baby is taking it to Mrs. Lather. I wonder if they've not got a bath at their house. At first, Mrs. Lather washed the babies and was very happy. "I like washing babies," she said. "I love them." But by the end of the day, she was sick of them, and a notice was put in the window saying, "We wash anything except laundry and babies." I don't think she likes washing at all, really. What came after Thursday? Friday was another surprising day in Mrs. Lather's laundry. A customer came in with a baby and a dog. "We do not wash babies," she said. "I don't want you to wash my baby," said the customer. "I want you to wash the dog." "Oh," said Mrs. Lather. And she washed the dog. And after that, more customers came with their dogs. There were big dogs, little dogs, long dogs, short dogs, happy dogs, sad dogs, brown, black and spotty dogs. All the dogs for Mrs. Lather to wash. Do you think she'll lather the soap on the dogs? And a lot Lather washed the dogs. Then she got sick of them. And Mr. Lather washed them. Then he got sick of them. And by the end of the day, the children washed them. And the notice in the window said, we wash anything except laundry, babies and dogs. Can you see all the dogs getting washed? But everybody's got fed up of washing dogs, so they're not going to do them again. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Saturday was the worst day of all in Mrs. Lather's laundry. Mrs. Lather washed. I want you to wash me. A car, a football team, and an elephant. Goodness gracious me, a whole football team. That would be a bit of a muddy job. The elephant was from a circus, and Mr. Lather and the children washed the elephant too. But when they got sick of it, the elephant washed them. Can you see? They must have a big place if they can get an elephant in. Oh, it's Sunday now. Sunday was a good day in Mrs. Lather's laundry. The notice in the window said, closed. When Monday came around again, Mrs. Lather was feeling rather cheerful. Will you be going crazy today, Mum? The children said. No, said Mrs. Lather. I feel cheerful now. She began to laugh. After all, what could be... Oh, that sounds a bit like I'm coming from Liverpool now, not Scotland. After all, what could be worse than an elephant? She doesn't think they'll get anything worse to wash than an elephant. I could think of a few things worse than an elephant. Uh-oh. I can think of something worse than an elephant. 6 elephants! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6! The end. That was a bit funny, wasn't it? She didn't really like washing things. Maybe she should find a new job. Maybe she will be better at painting things or making things rather than trying to wash them. Okay, I hope you enjoyed that story. Have a good day. Bye.